Tapos din, para mabasahan hindi ba nga. Nangka. Libre.
Kita mo kay YouTube.
Yan eh. Hi guys! Welcome to my channel! Nagki-clearing po kami ngayon at meron po kaming pinaakyat para maputulan ng mga puno. How are you? Congratulations! At naputol na ang malaking puno. Hi guys! Say hi to my channel! Hi! 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 Thank you at maliwanag na rin at maaarawan na rin ang aming mga bulaklak. Okay, ito libre lang ka. Kung sino po ang gusto ng may bunga ng langka, may free po kami dito. So, you can get it for free. At Inday Puri, may libre pong langka.
7-Eleven, di ka book.
Yan, congratulations sa sapa. The sapa is full of leaves now and we will wait for the right time to dispose these leaves through sunog or through baha. Yay! The last branch that cutted. Genre is still there. Still kicking. Next tree is the suha and the balimbing.
Abi mo na bungon?
Yes.